Hi everybody, welcome to this month's Flip Through. I'm Lauren.
And I'm Brooke.
And we are here to show you some of the amazing collections that are launching in the April 2022 All Access. Now, I feel like we have to start with our large release this month, our special edition called We the People. It is an incredible tile scene devoted, of course, to our beautiful and wonderful country. It is 15 blocks, and you can see here the amazing American flag. We have this bald eagle here that is so incredibly detailed, and then we have chosen and pulled different sayings from our Constitution as well. It is labeled with July 4th, 1776 on it, and then, of course, these intricate, beautiful embroidered borders as well. So with the May holiday coming up, and of course July 4th coming up, this is a tile scene I know you all will love. It really is a showstopper, isn't it, Brooke?
It's beautiful, and we used a nice array of silk Dupioni fabrics. We also have a little bit of lame in here to give it a little bit of sparkle.
Oh, yes.
And it's important to note that we also have a YouTube video on this beautiful masterpiece on how to piece together your tile scene.
Which is perfect. So if you're new to tile scenes, you can stitch with our seamstress and learn all of her tips and tricks. And trust me, you too can put this collection together. We know you're going to love it. Again, absolutely. It's a special edition for this month's release. So absolutely fantastic. What else do we have, Brooke?
So we have a really fun project for you guys. Now, these are coming in time just for Cinco de Mayo. These are our tortilla warmers. Now, this is a really fun project. We've used denim for this. They have a lot of cute sayings on them. Cinco de Mayo. We have just here for the tacos.
How cute.
Of course, we're just here for the tacos.
Taco Tuesday every day.
Yes, and we also have a cute little avocado. Now, there's a lot of different fabrics and textiles that you can use for this design. Depending on how you are going to use it, you will follow your tutorials guide on what fabrics and threads you will need for this project. But yeah, definitely, these look great on your table for the holiday. Celebrate with us and stitch one of these out. So
very festive. Yeah. I love those. Makes me thirsty for a margarita to go with that.
Absolutely.
All right, so of course, around the corner is May, and you know what falls in May? Mother's Day. So we have a 3D card collection for our wonderful mothers out there, or if you are a mother, you can make your own card for yourself too. But these are adorable embroidered cards. We stitch them right on paper, but we have three-dimensional elements on them as well, just to make them a little bit more festive. A card that mom will really love and cherish. This one says, "You are my sunshine." Some great ones over here. "You're pretty radish, Mom." And it has this great little radish on it. What else? Oh my gosh, I love this one. "Mom, you're the coolest." And it has this great sparkly fan on it. And sometimes our moms need those fans too when it gets a little hot. So again, a card collection, special for mom. I know you're going to love these and have a lot of fun making these too.
Yeah, my mom still loves handmade cards to this day.
Of course.
So I still make her some handmade cards, so I will definitely be making her one of these. Now, we also have this cool little collection here called Blooming Objects. It's an embroidery collection that has some hidden applique in there. You can see that we have a beautiful little light bulb. We played up with a lot of fun colors using some tonal oranges for these beautiful flowers. We also have a blooming teapot, which is really cool as well, playing around with all sorts of pinks, and this beautiful globe that we have here, where we also played around with some tonal blue colors. Now, these are really easy to make, and they will look great on anything that you put them on. You can put these on your pillowcases, your denim jackets, anything that you really desire. It's a nice, easy project.
Ooh, these would be beautiful on a denim jacket.
I think so.
It would be quite the showstopper.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Okay, so this brings us to Shadow Work Shapes. Now, this is one of our quilting collections. It's going to come in our mix and match sizing, so you'll have multiple options to choose from. And then what's wonderful with this collection is really the beautiful, beautiful fabrics that we used below our shadow work. So I love our applique shadow work because it's a way for me to use my scrap fabrics that might be really bright or really busy, and by themselves they're maybe not your favorite fabrics, but then we add a sheer piece of batiste on top, bringing in that shadow work technique, and it mutes the colors and the patterns in your fabrics. So it's a great opportunity to pull out those scrap fabrics here, and this really has a beautiful tropical vibe to it. There's a really beautiful outline that goes on top of the different shapes in the embroidery in this collection, but definitely could have a lot of fun making this quilt. So this one is just really fun, and it's getting me excited for the summertime too.
It looks kind of watercolory as well.
Yep. That's the whole idea with that shadow work.
Very
yes.
beautiful. So our next beautiful collection on the list is our Scandinavian Smalls. This is a 4x4 collection. It's really cute. We used a lot of really fun colors. We also used some felt for our applique, and what makes this really cool as well is it is cut with a raw edge. So
I like this.
We have a little tree, we have a little birdie. It's really cute. And always a personal favorite, the wonderful little gnomes.
You can't get enough of the
Can't
gnomes
get
here.
enough of the gnomes because they're just so phenomenal.
Oh, I see what you did there, Brooke.
That's my favorite little fun.
Good job.
And we also have this cute little teapot, and you can kind of see that we have some beautiful colors in here, but the little teapot spout looks a little bit 3D with the raw edge applique, so it's very beautiful.
Love that collection, yes. And that's what's something that's really nice with our All Access is that we release a collection every single month that will fit in your 4x4 hoop. So I know we hear from our customers often asking for smaller designs, so know that at least once a month we'll come out with a set of designs that will fit in those 4x4 hoops for you. Yes. Now let's talk about this last collection. We know, this one is stunning. We are making some freestanding lace. What's the name of this collection, Brooke?
Now this is our layering lace collection, and I had to save the best for last because this one is just so cute. There are so many things you can do with our layering lace. Here we put our designs on the shoulders. They make beautiful little detailed elements to your shoulders, especially with a kind of tonal earthy element, or if you want to go a little high class.
Wow, look at this blouse. How beautiful.
We have a beautiful blue blouse here where we layered two of our layering lace pieces on top of each other, and we also glued on some special beads as well that were carrying the same color.
Wow. So this freestanding lace, this is really beautiful. It's a little bit harder to see, I know, on camera, but we make freestanding lace in the hoop. And then what's special with these pieces is we're adding organza in there as well as an applique. So not only can you make this lace and add it to clothing, but you can make centerpieces with this. You can attach it to home decor, pillows, anything like that. Really, sky's the limit with the way you can use these pieces. We just wanted to show you how you can take them and then add them to your clothing, because we know you love to wear your embroidery. So
Absolutely.
Look at this fashion statement.
It's beautiful. And as an added bonus, you get to join me in another YouTube video where I teach you how to put layering lace on apparel. Become your own designer and join me
There we
today.
go. I love it. I'm
Yes.
going to have to tune in and watch because I need some embroidery on my clothing these days.
It's great. We
Yes.
have so many fun little options. Such like a nice summery outfit, you know,
Love
like
it.
Spring, maybe with some white jeans.
There you go.
There you go.
Looking
Yeah,
good.
absolutely.
Styling and profiling. All right, so that is a glimpse into our releases this month. As you can tell, we really have an amazing month for you. And I know I say this every single month when we do our flip throughs, but I am just shocked at each month. Gets better and better.
Really
So
does.
make sure that you contact our customer service if you have not joined our All Access membership yet. You can find information on our website, anitagoodesign.com. As Brooke has mentioned, we do have a wonderful YouTube page that you can watch lots of videos with our educators for tips and tricks, making projects, lots of information on there as well. But as always, you will see us next month for the May flip through. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us.
We'll see you next time.